Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to Blood Layer Show. And yeah, sorry for that. So let's have the last. Yeah, this will be the last. Maybe after this I will go back to Gunpla. Yes, I will go back to Gunpla. And yeah, more on Gunpla next time. Then maybe we'll have some inserts of some Beyblade X. Okay, because I'm done with the Beyblade X marathon, but I will still have more fights on my shorts, and also maybe some competitions or not competition, but some lineups of battles with the Beyblade X parts right here. Yeah, so let's have here. And on this part I get scammed. Yeah, I get scammed because I ordered this because it was written as Big Bang Pegasus FD. Yeah, but I've got this. Then it said it's Big Bang Pegasus, but I know it's not Big Bang Pegasus, man. It's not. I bought you because you said you are a Pegasus, but it's not, man. You're really into Pegasus. I don't know what is this. Yeah, let's see. What is your name, man? I don't know. So for those people who knows this because it's from the Metal Fight or the Metal Fight or the Metal Fusion, you can please help me write those in the comment section. What is the name or the real name of this Beyblade? Because I know it's not Big Bang Pegasus, man. You know, really, it's not. So yeah, to know this more, let's unbox this. Let's go. And that's it. I'm done unboxing. Because that's how fast you can unbox it. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, and it's only one plastic for all of the parts here. And I don't know. Oh, but it's nice, man. It's all black. Oh, that fire is nice. It can be like this or like this. It's all like that. Oh, it's orange. And then the bottom part. Oh, I don't know what driver or whatever it is, but yeah, I will not use that. I'm on these more different ones. Yeah, let's go. Let's try this. Okay, so yeah, we have it here. And yeah, this part here is spinning. I just don't know what is this one. I will research it. But yeah, it's nice, man. I think it's more on defense. But the black one, it's all paint. Yeah, it will gonna chip here. We're just gonna chip in the battle. But yeah, let's see. So let's get our stadiums to have some battles and spin test. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, we have here now your stadium. So let's try to have a spin test. Yeah, spin test first. Okay, before we'll have a battle. Right, you don't go. Okay, decent, nice turning, but I don't know. Maybe it will be destroyed. But yeah, let's go. Let's have a battle, and I would like to have a battle with this gold one. The gold one, the Pegasus. Yeah, it's also a Pegasus. But this one, I know it's not a Pegasus, man. Please write down on the comment section if you know the title. Or you know the title. If you know the name, not the title, but that name. Yeah, okay. So, have this first, then the Pegasus next. The gold and black Pegasus. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Let's see what will happen. Oh, there's no contact yet. Oh, that's it. Okay. Ooh. Its upper part or the blade part, it's really like for defense, but it keeps on turning on the stadium. So maybe. And yeah, the balance is very nice, man. That balance is very nice. Whoa, and still so many stamina remains in him. Okay, so let's have the next round. And yeah, ready. Let's put it. Okay, so I know this Beyblade is fake, so don't expect too much. Okay, ready to go. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's a nice action. Oh, It goes back. It should be out already, man. But it goes back. Uh-oh, I think that will be the first loss of this Beyblade of ours here. And yeah, it is. It's a loss. Sorry, man. You lost. Okay, let's have another one. And the last one for them. So still we'll have the orange one first, and then your Pegasus, or black orange, and then your Pegasus. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oops. 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that's a nice attack. But yeah, that's it. Nice attack. Then yeah, that's it. Okay, nice. Okay. A little bit promising. Yes, still, it's fake. Okay, again and again, this is fake ones. So they expect too much on these battles. Yeah, do not expect too much. And yeah, there it goes. Their stamina goes out. And who will win? This will be a spin finish. I know. It's always been a spin finish for these battles. Okay. Yeah. I think that will be for the black one. The orange and the black one. Because that kind of stamina, it's very nice, man. Ooh. So, sorry for the gold and the black. You're out. So, let's have another battle. Yeah, with this orange. And we know that this orange is has a high stamina, man. Because, and also this part right here. This part right here. This metal part. Very nice also. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And then the black. Let's see. Ooh. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Oops. The black really tries to outlast the stamina of the orange. I don't know if the black will win on this one. The orange is very low, man. It's very, very low. It attacks on the lower part of the black. But I think the black will win on this one. And yeah, black wins. That's the first round, man. Let's have the black first, okay? Let's launch the black first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. And the orange. Oops. Oh. Shoot. Oh, it goes back. But yes. Oh, it lost its speed already because of those scrapes. I don't know if the orange will win. Will still win on this one. Because those scrapes, man, those are great scrapes. And yeah, that's out for the orange. And last fight, let's go. I really like this part, man. It spins also. Yeah. It spins, yeah. It's a free spinning. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Okay, last battle. Let me see something good, man. Just don't destroy each other, okay? Who will win on this? Who will win? Orange or black? Place your bets. Oh, no. No, don't. Okay? Gambling is bad. Let's just enjoy watching these two spinning tops fighting each other. And who will win? I think that's for black. Still for the black one. And yeah, the black is very nice, man. I really like this one. Okay? So that's it. So this is it's that Big Bang Pegasus. Maybe I will search for the name on this one and will show you the real name on the title. But yeah, also please help put the title or put the real name on the comment section also. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's our not Big Bang Pegasus, but yeah, it's a nice and wow, the black part is not chipping. It chips a little bit, but woo, it's just very small chips. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Sorry, I'm still a little bit sick. Yeah, I still have some runny nose here. Okay, so that's it. That's our fake Beyblade from the Rapidity and from the Metal Fight or the Metal Fusion Beyblade. Yeah, this will be the last, and I think after this I will go back to my Gunpla, our always and ever forever Gunpla. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to inform for our next videos. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. That's it, and yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. More Beyblade. Yeah, there's still more Beyblade and Gunpla contents here in our YouTube channel next time. And that's it. Goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo-hoo. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.